Good morning, esteemed professors, project supervisors, and fellow project supervisors who are watching our presentation video. Allow us to present the progress of our PBL titled Updating and Modeling Kalibata 2023 Campus Master Plan. The next slide is a profile of the project supervisors and the fellow project supervisors. Our project supervisor is Mr. Octavian Augustin, and for other profiles, they can be viewed in the PowerPoint presentation. And the second one is our Command Pro project is Mr. Dede Rusbandi Wibowo, and for other profiles, they can be viewed in the PowerPoint presentation. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Thank you. I will continue. In this PBL, students are carrying out a design project for updating and modeling the 2024 Batam State Polytechnic Campus Master Plan. The next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Arik. So I will continue this presentation. I will tell about the contribution to PBL course engagement. The first one is project design. For the project design in our PBL, this course plays the most significant role because we design the master plans using software tools that are studied in this course like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and the others. And the second one is statistic and smoothing calculations. In this course, students are able to understand and apply the basics of error propagation, statistic, and calculation of the leveling in the field of surveying and mapping. Next. So for the third is advanced terrestrial surveying. This course will also plays a significant role in this PBL because there are several buildings with incomplete data. So for the fourth is GNSS surveying. In this course, students are able to demonstrate positioning methods, basic concept of absolute and relative position measurements, surveying methods, and height determination with GNSS. Next. For the fifth is cartography course. This cartography course also plays a significant role as the creation of maps and layouts are all studied in this course. And the sixth is English. In this course, students are able to understand inflection in nouns, clauses, entrance in a diagram, present tense, vocabulary, and the others. Next. And the seventh is education and citizenship. Students demonstrate the ability to work in a team on an applied project. And the last is physics. Students are able to explore the nature of physical science, creation, and the internal structures of the earth, adapting measurements, quantities, units, and factors. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Okay, thank you. I will be extend the exterior that will be generated from the project. 1. Construction of building data objects. 2. Manufacturing of master plan and control point of Kalibata. 3. Measurement and verification of existing buildings. 4. Fabrication of three-dimensional object and animation of campus master plan of Kalibata. 5. Poster and video manufacture. 6. HKI manufacturing. 7. Report making, and last PPT. Next.
Yeah, thank you. I will be continue. My project progress is to create a work map of the Batam State Polytechnic campus area using a scale of 1 to 2000, where I made this work map using digitization via satellite imagery and then processing the data using ArcMap. Next. The next project progress is to create a contour map of the Batam State Polytechnic campus area using the same scale, namely 1 to 2000, where this contour map is created by taking DEM data from USGS, then processing the data using ArcMap. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Progress project is DataDem. DEM data is data taken from satellite image via USGS and then processed with ArcMap software. Next is the group report. We have completed the work report by dividing each part of each group member. Next, map contours are processed using DEM data and also complete using ArcMap software. Next, the next will be extended by my friends.
Okay, thank you. I will continue. The progress lab B2 of my 3D project in SketchUp is that I have made some of the walls and panels on the outside of the building and the doors inside the buildings. It's cool beside that my progress is still 15%. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, thank you. I will continue. I will continue. Next is my progress in building a new boys and girls dormitory. In this progress, I am still at the stage of building walls and completing the lines that are still missing. If the missing lines are finished, then I can continue making the wall and then erecting the wall pillar. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, thank you. I will continue. So for the progress of my SketchUp, you can see for now I just made the walls and poles because this is new to me. So I'm still learning for that. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, I will continue. This is the progress of the first floor of the main building. My main focus is on the door and window frames. Then work on the floors and walls. Maybe that's enough for me. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Thank you. I will continue this presentation. Progress of the teaching factory building. The progress I am showing is visible from the lobby of the building. Here there are only a few walls and blocks. Actually, I had difficulty setting it because
I don't really understand how to use SketchUp software, but I will continue to learn to use it so that I can complete this building well. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Okay, thank you, Rini. So for my progress is for the building progress itself, I have been assigned to design lab B1. Currently, I have only erected the pillars and walls as the initial foundation. And for the 2D AutoCAD design itself has been complete, and I utilize AutoCAD's design size guide and designing it on SketchUp. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, thank you. I will be next. Continue. For 3D SketchUp progress project in SketchUp has only reached about 15 up to 20 of A1 and A2 building in the Batam State Polytechnic that I made progress in my SketchUp is still in the process of working on walls, columns, and indoor frames. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, thank you. So my project progress is good. Now this girl is in the process of making polish because there is no reference for girl, so I'm having difficulty making the design. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Okay, thank you. I will continue. For the building progress itself, I have been assigned to design techno. Currently, I have only erected the pillars and walls as the engineer foundation. The 2D AutoCAD design itself has been complete and AutoCAD says with in design in on SketchUp. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, I will continue. This is part of the project describes association with other courses. The first is project design. Planning and design using SketchUp software to make all 3D and AutoCAD to make 2D. And the second is Survey GNSS. Satellite data collection using GPS geodetic. Demonstration, precise and accurate positioning methods. And altitude determination in the Polybatam area. And the third is advanced terrestrial survey, measuring Polybatam master plan data, download them data. Okay, next. Okay, the fourth is cartography, making 1 to 2000 scale digital work maps, making contour maps and detailed maps of the Polybatam area. And the fifth, statistic and calculation of alignment. This course describes the data processing section. And the sixth is civic education, forming teams surrounding critical thinking skills, making IPR, spanning theory with practice, and applying Pancasila in socialism. Okay, next. And the seventh is physics. Measurements in the form of buildings and roads appearing in the field with the laws of physics and data processing. And the eighth is general English, making PowerPoint or PPT for presentation slides using English and abstract creation in the report. So for the next will be extended by my friends.
Okay, thank you. I will continue. So the division of work and contribution of its member in the development of the project. So for the next will be extended by my friend.
Okay, I will continue. So I want to tell about our problems and solution from us is there are some data that are less complex than the size of the given layout. And the solution is perform measurement directly to the field. And next or second problem is lack of understanding of PBL work. And our solution is pre-read learning modules, creating discussion forums, ask question to friends.
Okay, I will be continue. Next working plan. The first complements the visual maps made from the measurement data take for some Polybatam building. The second, complete 2D and 3D object designed in AutoCAD and SketchUp, unify all object into one and rendering. 3. Complete PBL reports. 4. Making a project video animation video poster for perform this PBL. Next, complete detail mapping. So for the next will be extended.
So just this is from our group. If we have a mistakes, we apologize. Thank you and see you.